Today, I'm introducing Read AI's Search Copilot, a first-of-its-kind AI-powered search and discovery engine that will revolutionize how you find and use information so you can save time and move faster through your day. Have you ever wondered about the status of a project but didn't want to call 5 other people or go through a long email chain? Have you ever gone looking for a detail but can't remember whether it was shared in an email, message, or meeting? With Search Copilot, you can seamlessly search and find insights across your entire digital workspace, including emails, messages, documents, CRMs, cloud platforms, and more. The result is that you get a frictionless experience that unifies siloed applications and enhances your productivity. Search Copilot is the only tool on the market that gives you easy access to all your data, is free to use, and puts the controls directly in your hands. It is enterprise search for everyone. Let's take a look at how it works. If you don't have a Read AI account yet, create one for free from read.ai and connect your integrations during onboarding. Syncing usually takes 20 minutes, and then you're ready to search. While logged into Read AI, click on the search icon. This is the Search Copilot homepage. Using filters, you can specify a data range for your search, the sources you want to be included, and the type of access. Use Search Copilot to streamline your work and increase collaboration with queries like summarize my past week of work in a report I can send to my manager, or ask for a status report on an opportunity that's pending. Click the search button, and you will see a clear summary with links back to the original data sources for context and verification. You can always give the answer a thumbs up if the response was helpful. What if you had someone new on your team and you had to be out of the office during the status report meeting? Your new hire needs to be up to speed. Search Copilot has your teammates back. Let's try another query, this time to check on the status of a project or someone's progress. For example, how many deals does Robert have in his pipeline that are in the negotiation stage? Or what are the next steps in a case study? You can easily share these answers by copying the text itself or copying the link and then sharing it on the channel of your choice. If you ever want to revisit searches you have shared, you can find them by clicking the Shared Searches button. You can also use Search Copilot from a meeting report. Let's look at this one. Now, Read delivers the most accurate meeting reports available on the market today. However, if you want to surface a detail that is not already highlighted in the summary, chapters, or action items, you can use Search Copilot to query that specific meeting. Let's try, what were the client's main concerns? Click Search this report only, and click Search. It is quick and easy. Whether you're looking for key decisions from a meeting, customer insights from your CRM, or an update on a deliverable, Search Copilot can bring all your data together to get you the answers you need. If you need additional information, you can reach out to our support team via the support button on the Read AI platform. Thank you for your time. We're excited to see how Search Copilot enhances your productivity. Just give us 20 minutes and we'll give you 20 hours back a month.